I'm now going to go ahead and move to the second camera and shift from the first. Here's the second camera. As you can see, it was like back and forth, one facing that way, one facing this way, so as you can see.
What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. This is the Eufy Security 24/7 home security system and office security system to be able to track, monitor it at all times. What's awesome here is it's equipped with their latest technology, including the HomeBase 3 that's got their Bionic Mind AI system for detection, for tracking, notification, and all that good stuff. These are built with high quality, waterproof and dustproof devices for outdoor that are 4K monitoring, so you can zoom in and have high fidelity video for all notifications. Lastly here, they've got no subscription fee, which is great. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Eufy did sponsor this video and send this to me complimentary. With that said, guys, let's jump into the unboxing, installation, and demonstration. It's a very big box here, but it comes with all of the units and devices here necessary. As you can see, I've got the HomeBase 3 and also each one of the cameras that are high quality, metallic in construction, and very durable here to last. In the box, it comes with all of the equipment necessary here to get you set up. It's got your power cords and plugs. You even have an extension cable for those really hard to reach places, as well as all the other materials to be able to set up, to connect to your router, and also route the cords. So I'm going to be setting up every single one of these, including my HomeBase 3, which actually has the ability for expandable storage up to 1 terabyte with an SSD, solid state drive. It takes up to a laptop storage. This is a terabyte hard drive here. I'm going to place it in there because what's so nice here is you're going to be able to store it all in one place. You're going to get the hard drive tray. You're going to place it face up. It's going to fit right into the grooves, and you're going to follow it down as you place it through. You have to push it in, hear it click, and then you're good and set to go. You can also see here you've got USB 3.0 jacks if you wanted to have an external hard drive to have your files saved onto. It looks like there isn't a slot for a micro SD card. Okay, we are here on the Eufy app, as you can see. Start from here and add a new device. You can see the S380 HomeBase is there. We're gonna add it to my home. What we need to do then now is plug it in and then plug in the LAN port so it has the internet. Okay, then we hit next. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi as the router. Okay, I'm gonna hit next because I'm already connected to the Wi-Fi. Wait for 1 minute until the HomeBase LED turns from red to blue.
Welcome to Eufy
Oh, there it goes.
Follow the instructions in the Eufy Security app to set up the system.
Now it comes with intelligent AI. I'm gonna add a familiar face. Okay, there's my beautiful profile picture. I'm here in my front room and I'm installing my 4 C330 cameras, and I need to go ahead and pair it with the HomeBase. So my HomeBase is in my front room, and you can see that I've paired all 3 of them. We need to pair the 4th one and then create a Wi-Fi bridge. So you follow the same direction for all 4 cameras. You go in here and you set up the pro camera, tie it to your home, and then you go ahead and connect it via Wi-Fi. It makes this weird chiming noise from your home, and now it's going to be connecting via Wi-Fi. There's a multi-bridge technology that only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so we're going to go ahead and configure now that we've got all 4 of them connected. Now you got to go ahead and update them. As you can see, there's a little banner there that says multi-bridge and cross-camera tracking needs to be set up. We're here on location. I've got multiple places around the house that I'm going to be setting it up. I'm going to go ahead and show you here one setup here above my back door, and then the other places here as well. The one thing about this installation here is you only have tilt. You don't have pan ability, so you're going to want to put it on a flat surface, not in the corner of a wall. Otherwise, you're going to be cutting off your subject. Nonetheless, here we're going to place it up here, which is high, and it'll allow me to be able to have a great viewing angle. Showing you here that you've got a long extension cord that you can hide through your interface. I have a smart plug it's connected to if you want. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like here for the tracking. It is a little bit faster and it's not picking up the audio, but as you can see, I can move to and from the front yard and then it transitions to the side of the house on the east side. You can see here that there is another east side camera that's a little bit closer to the fence. It does get picked up here in this, which is really cool. And then it goes to the porch, which is the backyard here on the back side. You can see the entire backyard as I move towards my patio and the tramp into my backyard area. You can see the backyard gets picked up. The other backyard camera gets picked up as well, which is really nice. Being able to give you a wide angle here from a high up vantage point. From there, I wrap up. What's cool is you can just focus on the 24/7 4 cameras if that's something you're interested in. This was a little bit earlier here where I was finishing setting it up. I can carry it all the way over.
Here is the cross camera tracking with the 2K cameras here, 24/7 C330. I think it's pretty impressive here to be able to go from one side of my house to the other. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of wide angle here to be able to see all the way up and down my property. I'm now going to go ahead and move to the second camera and shift from the first. Here's the second camera. As you can see, it was like back and forth, one facing that way, one facing this way, so as you can see, a seamless cross camera tracking. What's nice is you do have the ability to be able to go all the way to the edge of the camera of my property to be able to see me, and even into the back side of it. As we open up the door, you can go ahead and holding into the third camera here, which is facing the same direction, but it's on the back side. Here now we've got me in both shots. Now I'm in the third camera angle. Behind you can see the backyard. You've got clarity here with the audio as well as being able to see quite a bit of a wide angle. I'm now going to be moving the entirety fourth camera. It's up at the highest point to be able to, capture those moments from one camera all the way to four. I think it's pretty straightforward and reasonable setup here. It's all powered by the AI HomeBase 3.
The best part about it is it's all internally synced here and connected, and it uses encryption technology to be able to protect your footage and so that no one can interrupt it.